In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer funds between your accounts inside Interactive Brokers, step by step. This is called an internal transfer, and it is one of the fastest ways to move money between your IBKR accounts. Let's get started. First, open the Interactive Brokers app and make sure you are signed in. You will land on the home screen. Before you do anything, double check that you are in the correct account. This is important because this will be your source account, meaning this is where the money will come from. Now, look at the top left corner and tap the 3 horizontal lines. This will open the main menu. From here, tap on Transfer. Once you do that, the transfer window will open. Now, select Internal Transfer. At the top, you will see your source account already selected. This is based on the account you were just in. If you need to change it, tap on the account name at the top and select the correct one. Next, under Destination Account, tap the drop-down and choose the account you want to transfer money to. Take a second here to make sure both accounts are correct. This is a common place where people make mistakes. Once everything looks good, tap Continue. On the next screen, enter the amount you want to transfer. Make sure you check the currency as well if your accounts support multiple currencies. After entering the amount, tap Submit. Now IBKR will ask you to verify your identity. You will receive a verification code, usually by email or through your security method. Enter the code, then tap Continue. And that is it. Your transfer request has now been submitted. In most cases, the funds will move within a few minutes, but it can vary slightly depending on your account setup. Quick tip, if you do not see the funds right away, give it a few minutes and refresh your account. That is how you complete an internal transfer on Interactive Brokers. If this helped you out, subscribe to Guides and Beyond for more simple, step-by-step tutorials like this.